Hi guys, this is Eunice and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Shaw Herbal Medicine. Welcome to Shaw Herbal Knowledge. This is today where we're going to be talking about certain herbs. Today we're going to be talking about lungwort. It is a great herb, especially for people who have breathing issues like asthma, long-term smokers, or COPD, and a lot of other issues as well. So we're going to be talking about lungwort and how great that herb is in order to help you, be added onto to help you with your breathing issues and things like that. So we're not going to hold you very long. We're going to go ahead and get started. Also, and so forth. So let me first say that lungwort is a plant. It grows above ground, and it is used to make herbal medicine. You can formulate lungwort in a couple formulations. You can do lungwort herbal capsule, which is what we have on our website. You can also do a lungwort tea, and so forth. I'll have a nice cup of hot tea, and so forth, to help you, and so forth, to help you breathing, to breathe. Okay. People mainly use lungwort for these issues here. Breathing conditions I just mentioned, stomach and intestinal ailments. They also use lungwort for kidney and urinary tract infection problems. Lungwort is also one of the ingredients in cough medicine as well. So I want to bring that up. It also relieves fluid retention, and also treats lung diseases and things like that. So lungwort is and has been studied. I did the research on it. I did have I have a couple people that I have seen with breathing issues and things like that. Mainly, the ones that I have spoken to myself personally are people who are dealing with breathing issues from long-term smoking. So, lungwort do help with that. These couple people that I talked to are not actually on medication or anything like that, traditional medications and things like that. And lungwort seems to, help them out a lot. And this is from my own personal experience. It has helped them out a lot, but that's just two people. So, but research study shows that this herbal medicine does help when it comes to breathing. Another one that helps that we sell more of is mullein. Mullein is another herb that helps to do with breathing and things like that. There's always a couple. There's never one herb for one thing. Okay, it's always a couple herbs. And when you ever find an herbal medicine, the herbal medicine that you are using covers several things and so forth. It never covers one thing, and there's never just one herb to cover that thing. So if you can understand what I'm saying, I hope I'm not confusing you at all about that and so forth. It's just that when you're dealing with herbal medicine, or you're taking herbal medicine, whatever herbal medicine you're taking, it does cover a lot of illnesses, not just the one ailment that you are seeking the herb for, but it covers a lot of other ailments as well. Gives you a lot more health benefits, is what I'm saying. Okay. And also too, when you're looking into uh, uh, finding an herbal medicine for whatever symptom you have and so forth, you're going to find more than one herbal medicine for that symptom. And I've been over this once before and so forth, and to help you to choose the right herbal medicine for you is the best way to do it is to, okay, you're looking for herbal medicine for your symptom. Okay. So you're going to do your research and you're going to find it's like maybe 3 or 4 herbal medicine that is good for that symptom. So what you do, if it's hard for you to choose, is you look at the other health benefits and so forth that's going to benefit you within those 4 herbal medicine and so forth. And that's how you would choose which of those herbal medicines to start taking or start using, whichever and so forth. That is the best way to do that and so forth because you do. And it's just like traditional medicine as well. You go to the doctor, he gives you a medicine for whatever your symptoms is and so forth. That medicine may not work and so forth. You may they have other medicines that they can, recommend or refer you to if that medicine doesn't work or if it's, not doing whatever it is it's supposed to do and whatever reason you want to change or whatever. But yeah, there's always, even in traditional medicine, there's always more than one. Same thing in herbal medicine as well. So, okay. But yeah, again, these are 2 formulations and so forth. You having breathing problems and so forth. And you want to find something to help you with the breathing problem and so far. Lungwort is a good, it says Lung, lungwort. So that's a good telling that it is the herbal medicine to help you with breathing issues and so far. Right there, the name itself. Okay, so it is a good herbal medicine and so forth to use and so forth, and you can do it in capsule or in tea. So let me give you the bullet points and so forth. And there's let's see, the bullet points again, and to plow that out to you and so forth, so that you would know and so far that if you do have these symptoms, those are 2 herbal medicine that you may want to look into, and that's mullein and lungwort, breathe for breathing. Okay, lungwort is a plant. It grows above ground and so forth, and they use it for herbal medicine. It is mainly used for breathing problems and so forth, but it does aid in let's see, and it aids in breathing condition, stomach and intestine ailments, and it does aid it with kidney and urinary tract infections. Um, Also, it's used in cough medicine. That's one of the ingredients in cough medicine, as I stated. And you have it also relieves in fluid retention, and it treats lung diseases, of course, and it also aids in tuberculosis. Okay, so just as I explained that symptom to you and so far, if you were to listen to this video, you want to know about which one you should take. Mulling or lungwort and so forth. You do your research on both, and so forth, and you see what lungwort has to offer you, and then you see what benefits mullein has to offer you, and you would do, you know, take the one that got something in the eye, people, something in the eye. Sorry about that. But you would you get the one that's going to benefit you the most for other symptoms and other things that you may have going on. Okay, so yeah, herbal medicine is good medicine. It is God's medicine, as I have said before. Some doctors would prefer you not to ever even think about herbal medicine. Some doctors do bend just a little bit on herbal medicine. As I stated, most of the patients are, I won't say patients, but most of the clients are people that come to see herbalists, and so far are people who have tried traditional medicine and it's not helping them. They want to wean themselves off of it or get off it, and they want to try something natural and so forth. They don't want to have to deal with all the harsh chemicals and things like that. But you need to seek a herbalist or healthcare provider if you are thinking about taking an herbal supplement and so forth. Because if you are taking traditional medicine, you need to know if there's any interactions, with the herbal medicine and the traditional medicine. You want to make sure that you don't do anything to have a bad interaction and so forth and things like that. So this is serious, when it comes to it and so far. I tell people all the time, you just can't just run to the store and buy this supplement or buy this supplement and so forth, this and that and so forth. If you are taking traditional medicine and so forth, even those medicine that you can just like run to at the Walmart, getting supplements and this and that and so forth. You still need to do your research and so far. I don't know how much herbal medicine is in those supplements really that they sell at the stores and so far. I don't know how much they put in there that legitimately put in there and so far. But still, I would do the research on it because it could be that they do put enough in there that could have a bad interaction with your traditional medicine and so forth. And for sure, if you go to a herbalist to get any supplements from them, make sure you have them to do the research or do that research and so forth to make sure that their supplements are not going to interfere with your traditional medicine and things like that. That is part of their consultation. They want to make sure that happens because they don't want you to be sick. We all want to live a healthy and wellness life and so forth. And by doing our research and due diligence is going to help us to do that when we recommend. We cannot diagnose or give you or tell you what to take, but we can do our research, gather up this information, and recommend to you for this particular medicine and things like that. And we do have our websites, most of us, to sell these particular medicine and so forth. And I always, even in my store under each of the supplements that I do sell, it's always down to the bottom before you begin a herbal regimen, seek a herbalist or healthcare provider and so forth so that you can do it. Now, you can also do that research yourself and know what you're going to get and so forth, and then just go and get it. There's nothing wrong with that and so forth. And I hope this information helped. If it does not, pass it on to somebody that it may do help. We do have a lot of people with COPD, a lot of people with breathing issues, a lot of people who has quit smoking, who has breathing issues and things like that. So we do have these things, they're all common, and we do have these things going on. So for someone to, give you information on things that may can help you and so forth is great. It is my privilege to come on here to stumble around because sometimes I get tongue tied, whatever. But I'm not going to change anything. This is just the way it is. It's my privilege to come on here to give you this information and so far, just for it to help you or help someone. And I sleep very good at night by passing this information out and everything because I feel like I am helping somebody and all that. And I will continue to do that. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always contact me and so far, and we can even go deeper into whatever herb there is and so forth and things like that. I don't have a problem with that and so forth. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you for your support. Thank you to all my subscribers and so forth. And all that. And I will see you again next week on another herbal knowledge. Thank you. All right, bye.